Hello, pure souls. Welcome to my channel. Let's see what message is coming for you today. Before I read a card, some channel message is coming out, and I felt some energies um, on crown chakra. Just clean your third eye chakra to crown chakra because lots of energy is going on there, and your consciousness going to be disturbed. And so just use pyrite crystal if you want to clean all kind of energies who bothering you. That that size of pyrite crystal helps you a lot if you want to buy from here, so you can. Otherwise, remember this kind of pyrite crystal helps you a lot. This size, okay, remember that this size pyrite crystal helps you a lot. And if you want to uh, periods in a regular way, so this size of pyrite crystal helps you to your period in a regular way, right? So it helps you a lot. And your unconscious mind or conscious mind going to work properly, and some kind of energy is trying to connect with you, and you're like have silence, or you are not work properly, your mind not working properly, that kind of situation you have that. So you have to, I request you, or I suggest you have to work with pirate crystal and do om chanting. It's your crown chakra needs. So it doesn't matter whenever you meditate, just put pirate crystal in front of you and do meditation. Lots of energies go away from you. Mark my word. So I it's very helpful whoever uh, whoever going in a spiritual journey. So it attracts money. So money is everyone wants. So it also attracts money. It also attract health. It also attract protection. It also gives you lots of strength and clarity and vision, clear intuition, especially you guys, whoever they are suffering like that, what I described. So after that, I'm going to click one put one card. So I this card gives you lots of happiness. So you walk with pirate crystal, your home filled with happiness. So, and your problem going to be end because 10 number card is here. So your family needs lots of happiness. Your family wants manifestation has to complete. Your speech quality will going to be improved if you work with uh, this size of pyrite crystal. I don't know whoever they are out there. So your energy needs this 10 of cups energy and this pirate crystal energy. If you want to know this works or not, just stay 2 minutes with it. Whenever you listen this reading, you will realize it's working for you. It's working for you. So and for someone, clear quartz is important for you, or raw quartz or raw diamond is important for you. Whoever attracts money, whoever wants to attract money. So maybe you are the name initial is L. So this is working for you. So I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much. Love and light. Live a happy, healthy life. Thank you.